Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about this fantastic and massive, because this thing is massive. It's 10 by 13 inches purple leaf outdoor umbrella that they sent to me for this video. And I have to say that we put it together with my wife, and I think it took probably like 25 minutes. 30 minutes top, and it is really easy. It has a super easy assemble, but I'm gonna give you a kind of like a tip when I'm showing you the instruction manuals over there in a little bit, because this one you gotta set up the base first. So the base is actually a separate item that you can get, and you can just fill it up with water. It's also a purple leaf base that is super massive, and it's not gonna move at all. Once you fill it up with water, you can do cement, you can do sand as well, you can do some pebbles, but I do recommend water is gonna be the easiest way. And once you put it in here, this thing won't move at all. Like I'm trying to this thing is not gonna move. So that is one of the best things, because it's gonna withstand all the weather, the wind, and things like that. And of course, this is a retractable umbrella, so you can just put it in kind of like a storage position and don't worry about the wind. Let's check it out, two things before I show it to you how it works. So you have two things here, the instructions for the base, which it is going to be super easy for you to put together. But remember, that's a separate item. That's another purple leaf base. And then once you get it done, you're going to set up this part of the base, which is going to be that X shape or star the shape. That is the one that you're going to set up first. And then everything right here, explain it in this super easy to understand instruction manual with the base. And this is what I was telling you before. You're going to fill it up with water over here in both sides. And once you set it down, this thing won't move at all. Just make sure that you align this one perfectly, which is going to be the step on that you're going to use for lifting this left to right. So make sure that you put this one on the side or on the other side, but never on this side where the water hose are there. So, okay, before I put it kind of like in the retractable position, let me show you that with the step that I was showing you before, you can go left, just like this. And I'm gonna hit my fence, and you can go right as well. So you can kind of like play with the shade whenever you want to put it, like in the top of the grill, on top of the pool, or things like that. But also with this handle, you can go just like this, up and down. So in case that you need some like shade right there where my table and dining tables and chairs are, you can just go like this, and it has a lock, which is gonna be just right here. And once I set up the lock, this one you can have shade against the wall. And I'm right here. I told you this thing is massive. And then once we are done, we're gonna push this one up to the top, just to show you that comes with a crank. And this is the thing that you're gonna have to do first. You know, this crank is the thing that you're gonna have to do first when you want to put it in kind of like a storage position. So once you are done with this part over here, you will just make sure to release this part and just take it up to the bottom. So once you're done, it's gonna click, and then you're gonna grab whatever this thing is, because you're gonna have to grab the strap that is gonna be the one that you're gonna use for putting this in storage position, just like this. So you have the strap right here. Let me show you. Once you're done, you're gonna strap this up to the back. Make sure that you get the Velcro done. All set. This is fully ready to leave like this. The wind is not gonna knock it down. The weather is not gonna knock it down. And it has this really nice waterproof fabric that is gonna kind of like get that shade, because it's kind of like a blackout one, I wanna say. And of course, it's gonna be waterproof. So if you're ready to enjoy your patio life and make sure that you have that perfect shade for you and your family, and just have that big 13 by 10 shade over your grill, your pool, your patio, your chairs, grab this one, check it out, because it is totally worth it. You're not gonna regret it.